Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I want to discuss with you the new feature called Post to View on TikTok. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So the new Post to View feature has taken over TikTok feed and many TikTokers believe this is similar to BeReal. So let's look into what is Post to View feature on TikTok. So the Post to View feature means that in case a user wants to see what someone else has posted, they need to share a photo or a short video of their own. The feature works the same way as BeReal, which sends push notification at any time to share a moment of the day. So simply TikTok will let you see the post of other users only if you have posted an update of your own. So the Post to View feature will send daily prompts or notifications to users in order to stay connected with their friends and family. So let me show you how to get this feature on TikTok. So first you want to update your TikTok app. So go to your App Store or your Play Store and search for TikTok. Once you've done that, go ahead and tap on TikTok and make sure there is an update for that. As you can see, I have updated my TikTok app already. So I'll go ahead and tap on Open. Now once you open it, you'll see this new button here called Now, which is here at the bottom left. So to view your Post to View feature on TikTok, tap on Now here at the bottom. And now you'll come to this screen. As you can see, all the post has been blurred out. It'll only be unblurred once you post something to TikTok. So once you see this screen, this means that you have enabled Post to View feature on TikTok. And that is what the new feature is all about, called Post to View on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.